Hi folks, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It is, today's what? Saturday morning, bright and early, and it is super sunny outside. It looks good outside just like it did yesterday. Baby, on good morning.
Hi guys, good morning and good afternoon, good night. Saturday feels good to be home. Saturday feels good to wake up. I won't say at the time that you want because Tyler decides what time you want to wake up. Well, what time you get up. But yeah, I'm gonna have a nice weekend, I'm sure. Times to start the day with a nice breakfast is always a nice way.
They can't
to
see your
start the
face,
way.
half of your face took off.
It's always a nice way to start the day. So yeah, gonna get some breakfast. I hope you all had a wonderful week, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this weekend and enjoy this weekend with us too.
Yeah, you guys, of course, live and I in the kitchen. Be packing out dishes while I'm making breakfast, and Tyler is just somewhere sitting around being a boss as usual. He's on his tablet somewhere.
When you get up in the morning and you're still tired, you just
Give me plates, babe. Sorry.
turn on the TV for Tyler so you can.
You don't even have to turn on the TV. You just give him his tablet.
or do
and
anything
he
to
really
get his
doesn't care.
attention. Yeah.
Plates,
Oh,
and Tyler plate too. You didn't make him toast.
No. Because I was sure if I make it, you won't have it.
So I'm making eggs and bacon, and I guess some bread is going to go with that. So I'm making breakfast for everybody right now because we are going to head out on the road. Of course, it's the weekend, so you know that's what we do, right? We have to go to the supermarket, we're gonna go to the sports store, we're gonna go to town, we'll probably just go hang out at the beach because I didn't get to do it yesterday. So, a lot to do today, so we want an early start, so we're trying to accomplish that. Though we don't put any timestamp on what we're doing, but let's get breakfast out the way first, so that way we can go on the road and can avoid buying breakfast on the road. So we're doing that. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. Make sure you guys have a good day. I didn't work out this morning, but you just don't know what the rest of the day is gonna hold when it comes down to me and working out. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Even if Mel don't get her workout in, make sure you guys stay loved, stay positive, stay blessed, and of course stay motivated no matter what. I love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and you'll see Tyler in a bit. Okay guys, breakfast is ready for the fam. And that's breakfast. That's Babe, that's me, and that's Tyler. Yeah? Very good, you pee in the potty. Come here. He's excited. He's been peeing his potty, so I don't know why he's so super excited today. He's something else. Anyway, you guys, it's breakfast time for us, and we're going to grab right now so that way we can get going on our way. Comment down below and let me know what you guys having for breakfast today, whatever time of the day that you guys watching this. Let me know what you guys having for breakfast. So good morning, Fibs. You ready for breakfast?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, go and sit in your chair.
This one.
This one is avocado and bread.
No. What? And the bacon.
Yeah, very good. Go sit in your chair. somebody wants to sleep in the back there. You guys, I'm rocking big hair, don't care today, okay? My hair is out, the sun is out, and we are out. We're actually on our way right now, heading to a sports store because I want to find a life jacket for Tyler because it's almost time for the pool and the beach. So I want to see if I can find it, and the one that I want. I see some others, but I don't really want the ones that I see. So if I don't see the one that I want, then I'm just gonna order it online, because Tyler loves water, and when he's in the water he's carefree, likes to jump, and he likes to just do water stuff. So I don't want to just take my eye off him for 2 seconds and my child drown, okay? So I'm trying to look for a life jacket that I can clip onto him. I saw one last year when it was the end of, almost the end of summer, so we didn't buy it, and now I regret not buying it. But that's the one that I'm looking for right now. So I'm going to the sports store to see if they'll have it in the water section, and then I'll continue to run some errands for today. What do you want to say to the fibs? Yeah, and what else? Speak up. Speak loudly. And? Yeah, you already told them that. What else you want to tell the fibs? You're watching tablet? The tablet is at home. When you go back home, you'll get it.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, tell the fibs, have a good day.
Have a good day.
And I'll see you guys soon. You guys, I'm surprised. I just the clip that you guys saw before this, I just speak to you guys and shut down the camera and tell us, say no, I want to talk to the faves. I'm like, okay, I didn't even ask any question. I just took back out the camera and let him have his moment, okay? So we're looking at bikes for Tyler in the sports store because we're gonna buy him a big boy bike, and he's doing so well. Come, continue. Come, boo boo, come. Look where you're going. Look in front of you. Look at me. Look at me. Look in front of you. Come, look in front of you. Come. Come. Good job.
Vous l'avez pris devant là, celui-ci?
Come.
Ouais.
You like this one? Yes? You're such a big boy. Yeah, we're gonna get the hat and the knee pads, okay? Okay, you guys, we're in the sports store, and I think we finally find what I want for Tyler, which is this. If you guys can see in the picture, that is what it's gonna look like. It have the arm and around the waist, and I think it's perfect for Tyler, who loves to jump in water and who loves the pool so much. So I think this is going to be the win. So we got apples, we got celery, we got plantain and green beans, and what is it here? Banana and a pineapple. That's all we wanted today from the fresh store. Don't touch anything, my love. The basket or stick it here or something. Yes? What's that? I don't know, but it's black. Yo, it's nasty. Oops, sorry. Oh, hello. You guys, we're out here buying groceries in the snack section, which, you know, there's kryptonite life in the snack section. So I have to pick up cookie, Oreo, and all the chocolatey things. Tyler, speaking of chocolate, Tyler is picking up a chocolate snack. You want to try this one?
Yes.
You sure? He dropped it in the basket. Alright, Papa.
Let's move from here.
Alright, let's go. We shopping. What? You want your toys? You drunk off his juice? You drank your juice? We actually stopped at McDonald's to get a sandwich for Tyler. I deliberately didn't buy anything for myself because I'm trying to stay away from it. Okay. He's happy about his McDonald's gift. Ooh, what is that? Wow, look, it changes. What? We got home and we've been so tired from all the things that we did this morning. We didn't even bother going to town again. That was just a no-go. So we've been just relaxing and resting. And when I got home from the supermarket, of course, I seasoned all my meat. So I have chicken legs, more chicken legs, that's turkey, that's shrimp, that's liver, and that's a whole chicken. So I'm going to bag all these up right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a little something for dinner. Nothing too much because we're not really too hungry, but of course my little nugget needs to eat. So let's go and see what we're gonna whip up. Yes, my love. Yes. What do you want?
Green.
Green what?
No, green and red.
You want a green and a red?
Yes.
What do you want? Green and red what? Tell the face what you're eating.
I'm eating M&M's.
Yeah. Alright. So green and red M&M's. I was here making dinner just for the boys because I didn't know what I wanted to eat. Look at that sun, that lighting just came in. I didn't know what I wanted to eat, so I said, alright, I'm just gonna make dinner for the boys. And then Babe and I was in the kitchen talking and gallivanting, and then I saw this. Oh my gosh, you guys, real Jamaican will know what this is. I can tell you guys what that is. So I was here making fish and pasta for Thailand. Babe was going to have pasta and some steak, and then Babe said, oh my gosh honey, corned beef, and I said yes. I didn't even remember that there was a corned beef in the cupboard. So this is Jamaican corned beef. We get this in France, which is super cool. So I decided that we're gonna make corned beef with, if you guys are Jamaican, then you know exactly what I'm gonna have corned beef with. White rice. So, and Babe love corned beef, so I'm gonna have corned beef with white rice for dinner. I'm just gonna have a little of it, and then Babe will have as much as he wants. So when it's ready, you get it. Okay, it's cooling, you soon get it. You want to taste a piece?
Yes.
Yes. Open. Whoa. All right, out of the kitchen. That's how my parents used to do when I was young and they were cooking, and we go to the kitchen. They would give us a little piece of what they're cooking. So Tyler is enjoying those moments right now. Okay guys, so since Tyler dinner is ready, he's going to go ahead and eat before Babe and I dinner is ready. And there we go guys, corned beef is almost ready. Alright you guys, mission accomplished. Real Jamaican strategy dinner. Babe, mine. Ready?
Yes, I am. I
Yes.
was thinking if it's good outside, I almost can eat outside.
You can eat outside if you want to eat outside.
Probably do that.
Alright.
Bisous, papa.
No. Say night, night, faves. You soon get it. Tell faves good night.
Good night.
What else you have to tell faves?
I'm going to bed.
What else? See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Record that.
Bye.
Huh?
Stickers Delaveau. Bye bye.
Anyway, you guys, of course we're coming on to end today's vlog. We had a long day, tiring for the most part. We rest up in the afternoon because we were really tired. Babe not, but I didn't, but I relaxed, so that was good. We're coming on to give you guys a Jamaican and the French expression for today. And I saw this Jamaican expression yesterday and I was like, I have to remember to give it today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican expression for today is butter ears gal. If a man call you a butter ears gal, not good at all. A butter ears gal is a female who have no ambition and is not worthy of being a wife. So a lot of Jamaican men says, me no want no butter ears gal because butter ears gal can't become wife.
Butter ears
Gal. Ears, we call ears.
Okay.
Ears.
A butter ears gal.
Ears. Right.
A butter ears gal.
Butter ears gal.
Okay.
So don't be a butter ears gal.
Boy. You can be a butter ears boy.
If there's butter ears gal, I'm sure there's butter ears boy. But we don't say butter ears boy. I've never heard somebody say butter ears boy. Butter ears gal, we use it a lot. What's the French expression for today?
The French expression is for you. Because Tyler soon go to school, so you gotta know this one. This one named savoir par cœur. Savoir par cœur simply means like to know by heart. To know by heart in French means to know it without
looking. Yeah, it's the same in English.
Savoir par cœur.
Savoir par cœur.
No. Savoir.
Savoir.
There's an R at the end.
Oh, savoir.
Right.
Savoir. Savoir.
Par. There's an R at the end. There's an R at the end of the three word. Okay? Savoir par cœur.
You're wicked.
Savoir par cœur.
I need to go wake Tyler up to say this one for me. Savoir par savoir par cœur.
Yeah, but you gotta say fast.
Savoir par cœur. My throat. Anyway, you guys.
You get it?
Make sure you get it. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're first time watching our channel. Please subscribe and turn on your notification. That way you will catch all our videos that we upload Monday to Friday and sometime on Sunday for the juiciness on Sundays. Don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, you guys. We love you. Give this video a thumbs up. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye guys.